All right, guys, getting ready to do 2-2. You can see that in this step here, we're gonna have to have pieces 2-5, 2-6, 2-7, and then this piece here, which is kind of like, it looks like glass, but it's not. It's plastic. And then I've got 6 square nuts, and then basically 6 small screws, machine screws. So I've got those here. They're basically brass, and you can see the parts that I have here. So I've got 2-5, 2-6, 2-7, and I've got this part here, which is going to go right here. So what they want us to do, basically what we're going to do is we're going to slide this in here, and what's going to happen is this is going to go onto here and hold that hole right here. I don't know if you can see that, but this hole here is going to hold this piece up, and it's going to hold that in place. So that way this can go up and down, kind of like a lid. So let's do that. And then of course you can see the screws. What's going to happen is the nuts are going to go basically in here like that. Let's see if we can put this in the right spot. I don't think it really matters which direction they go in, but you can see that all 6 need to go in place here. Let me put this down for a second. Okay. You can see that all 6 are going to go in here. One here, and then one here. And then when we put the side on, if I can do that. Well, easier said than done, that's for sure. There we go. It's definitely not easy. There we go. Okay. And so the screws are going to go in here, all 3. So that's what we're going to do. Let's go and do that now, since it's not really important that we get the lids, we get this on, or we get this on quite yet, because if we get one side on, then we can secure that side first. Just make things a little bit easier. So let's screw those 3 together. And I don't want to tighten it too much because I don't want to break it, and I don't want to overstrip it. Just hand tighten it. Same thing with here. Hand tighten it here. And we are done on that side. Okay. Now the fun part, putting this in like that, holding that at the same time. This part's going to go, basically it's going to open to the front. So there's a hole. I don't know if you can see, it's right here. This is going to go right in here like that. Okay. So what's going to happen is when we put the other side on, I have to be cognizant of the fact that when I slide this on, it's got to hold, this hole has got to hold this piece of plastic inside, and this hole here has to hold this part in as well. So before I do that though, it might be wise for me to go ahead and put the nuts in first in place, so I don't have to try to figure out how to screw that in without the nuts there. So I'm going to put these brass nuts in first. Okay. Well, that one's not not in well. Okay, so that's going to be a little fun. So, all right. So let's see what happens. All right, so we're going to slide this in. I might lose a nut here. Yep, lost it. It's okay. We'll put that in a second, and then I believe this goes in this way. Yeah, definitely easier said than done for sure on this one. Okay, if I can just get this part in. All right, now, there we go. There we go. Push that in real good. All right, looks like that works. We're gonna put this screw in here. You can see it. Screw that in. Okay, this screw in here. Okay, and then this other one here, but remember the brass nut fell out, so I'm gonna have to strategically place the screw in first, and then at the same time, I don't know if you can see that, I'm gonna put this nut in. I'll put it in such a way with my finger underneath so it doesn't slide out. Hand twist it, and then now I can go ahead and screw it in. And basically you can see what happens when I screw that. It tightens it, but you can see how it allows for it to travel up into that slot here. So, okay, so that's pretty good. So now we've got basically the bottom of our computer here. We've got this part that goes up and down. This part here I think holds the breadboard. All the switches, what we just made the other day. That's gonna go in here, and that's it. So we are ready to go. We're gonna do 3 next time, and 3's basically the, I wanna say it's the screen, but I could be wrong. No, I don't think it's the screen, but we'll figure it out. Maybe it is the screen, I don't know. We'll find out what it is. Yeah, I guess it is the screen right here. So this says screen 3.2. Screen. So we'll do that a little bit later.